Are you tired of overcomplicated workouts with little progress? Let's cut the fluff and focus on what really matters: the right exercises. You don't need fancy moves or endless hours in the gym, just these 8 essential exercises to build serious muscle and strength. These compound movements target all major muscle groups and deliver real results, whether you're a beginner or seasoned lifter. Ready to transform your physique? Let's dive in. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more tips to take your fitness game to the next level. 1. Squat, the king of leg exercises. Nothing builds leg strength quite like the squat. This powerhouse movement targets your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core, making it an essential exercise for improving balance, stability, and overall body coordination. Squats allow you to lift heavy weights, which is crucial for stimulating muscle growth and enhancing your athletic performance. To perform a squat, start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart and a barbell resting on your upper back. Engage your core, push your hips back, and lower yourself into a deep squat, keeping your chest up and back straight. Aim to go as deep as your mobility allows, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the ground or lower. This deeper range of motion helps engage more muscle fibers, particularly in your glutes and hamstrings. Once you reach the bottom of the squat, drive through your heels to stand back up, maintaining your form throughout the movement. It's crucial to focus on proper technique to avoid injury and maximize effectiveness. Aim to perform 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps, once or twice a week, to build strength and size in your legs. 2. Bench press, the chest powerhouse. For building a bigger chest, shoulders, and triceps, the bench press is essential. This compound lift allows you to push heavy weights, promoting significant upper body strength and muscle growth. To perform the bench press, lie flat on the bench with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width apart. As you lower the bar to your mid-chest, pause briefly, then press it back up explosively. It's important to keep your shoulder blades retracted throughout the movement. This not only maximizes chest engagement, but also protects your shoulders from strain. Make sure to maintain proper form by keeping your wrists straight and your elbows at a 45-degree angle relative to your torso as you lower the bar. Aim for 4 to 5 sets of 6 to 8 reps, performing this exercise twice a week for optimal results. Consistency with the bench press will lead to noticeable improvements in your upper body strength and size. 3. Deadlift, the ultimate muscle builder. The deadlift is known as the king of lifts for a reason. It's a total body exercise that activates nearly every muscle, making it essential for building mass and raw strength. It targets your entire posterior chain, hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and traps, while also stimulating testosterone and growth hormone production, key for muscle growth. To perform, stand with your feet hip-width apart and the barbell over the middle of your feet. Bend at your hips and knees, keeping your chest up and back flat as you grab the bar. Engage your core, push through your heels, and lift the bar by extending your hips and knees at the same time. Keep the bar close to your body, stand tall, squeeze your glutes, then lower the bar with control. Maintain a flat back and drive through your heels to avoid injury and maximize gains. A strong deadlift improves posture, muscle mass, and performance in other lifts. Aim for 4 to 5 sets of 5 to 6 reps once per week. 4. Farmer's walk, functional strength and total body power. The farmer's walk is a straightforward yet highly effective exercise that delivers full body strength by targeting multiple muscle groups at once. It's a functional movement, much like carrying heavy groceries or luggage, that translates directly to real-world strength. By holding heavy weights in each hand, you engage your grip, traps, shoulders, core, and legs all at once. This simple act of walking with heavy weights forces your muscles to work together, stabilizing your body and building endurance. What makes the farmer's walk so beneficial is its ability to dramatically improve grip strength, which plays a crucial role in enhancing other lifts, such as deadlifts, rows, and pull-ups. Beyond that, it strengthens your posture by forcing you to maintain an upright position, which helps alleviate back pain and improves overall stability. To perform the farmer's walk, grab a pair of heavy dumbbells or kettlebells. Stand tall with your shoulders back, chest out, and core braced. Walk for 20 to 30 meters in a controlled, steady manner, ensuring that the weights don't sway. This helps engage your core and stabilize your muscles even more. Start with shorter distances or lighter weights, and progressively increase the distance or load as your strength improves. Aim to perform 3 to 4 sets, walking for 30 to 40 seconds, 2 to 3 times per week. 5. Overhead press. Build dominant shoulders. The overhead press is crucial for developing strong, wide shoulders. This exercise effectively engages your deltoids, triceps, and core, making it a comprehensive upper body strength builder. To perform the overhead press, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and position the barbell at your collarbone. Engage your core and maintain a straight body posture as you press the bar overhead until your arms are fully extended. Focus on keeping your elbows slightly in front of your body throughout the movement to avoid straining your shoulders. As you lower the bar, do so with control, ensuring you don't lean back excessively, which can compromise your form and lead to injury. Aim for 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps, performing this exercise twice a week. Consistency with the overhead press will help you achieve impressive shoulder strength and size. 6. Pull-ups. The ultimate test of upper body strength. Pull-ups are a powerhouse exercise for building a strong, wide back. They primarily target your lats and traps while also engaging your biceps and core. This bodyweight movement not only strengthens your back, but also improves relative strength, your ability to move your own weight, which benefits other lifts and exercises. To perform pull-ups, grab a bar with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width. Pull yourself up until your chest reaches the bar, keeping your elbows driving down and back. Lower yourself slowly and with control to maximize muscle engagement. If needed, use a resistance band for assistance or focus on negative pull-ups to build strength gradually. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of as many reps as possible, targeting 8 to 12 reps per set, twice a week. Incorporating pull-ups regularly will lead to noticeable improvements in back width and overall upper body strength. 7. Lunges. Leg development with precision. Lunges are an excellent lower body exercise that targets your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while enhancing balance and stability. They help correct strength imbalances by working each leg independently, promoting muscle symmetry and functional strength. To perform lunges, step forward with one leg, lowering both knees until they form 90-degree angles. Your front knee should be aligned with your ankle, and your back knee should hover just above the ground. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position, then switch legs. For added intensity, hold dumbbells or use a barbell. Incorporate 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg into your routine once or twice a week to build strong, balanced legs. 8. Barbell row. Develop a thick, strong back. The barbell row is a key exercise for building a thick, strong back, focusing on your lats, traps, and rear delts. It not only enhances pulling strength, but also improves posture and supports other major lifts. To perform, hinge at the hips with a slight bend in your knees, grip the bar with an overhand grip, and pull it toward your lower chest. Keep your back flat and core tight, and avoid using momentum to ensure proper muscle engagement. Incorporate 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps into your routine twice a week for optimal back development. By focusing on these core movements and sticking to the right sets and reps, you'll target all the major muscle groups, building a strong foundation for both muscle growth and overall strength. These exercises are the backbone of any solid workout routine. Stay consistent with these key exercises and watch your strength and physique transform. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fitness tips.